On this occasion, I would request all of you have a greeting for being blissful on this auspicious 80th Independent Day of spiritual capital of the world, that is known as India. I am very grateful to the Executive Committee for having me here, and I would like to address three of my food for thoughts which you can carry home and enjoy it at a later date. The first is my fellow seniors. Many of them I find that they are thinking, talking, deliberating and chatting about writing the will for distribution of their assets to the family members. But what about the living will? Our Article 21 of the Constitution, which says right to life, has a provision for the living will for this precious life. For example, I can get a valid legal document saying that all my life's decisions will be vetted by my better half, but the health care will be taken care by one of my daughter who is a practicing doctor. Likewise, please think of the living will for this precious life to live in the real world, little away from the real world.
To please be silent and please sit.
All my fellow seniors, kindly look at the living will, because these seniors are going to outnumber the youth worldwide in less than 10 years from now. The second thought which I want to say is for the youth. It is very amazing to see the youth navigating anywhere, anytime in the global market of the borderless knowledge world. Whatever is happening, very fast changes in the society, in the social fabrics, or technology, or demography, all what is happening now, it is very difficult and challenge and a half to catch up with the emerging society, what is we are seeing today. So I wish all the youth very nice thoughts, like sunshine thoughts under sunrise grace, to influence the Indian Constitution so that it is in pace with the rising aspiration of the humanity. The third one is for my youngsters, all the spring of joy which are here, the spring of joy which are going to see the 22nd century. They have to keep in mind that for 300 years we exploited the human resources, natural resources, applied the energy intensive lifestyle in such a way that it led to the ecological distortions and the climate change impacts. For the 100 years, right from Stockholm Conference in 1972, the world started looking at the environmental concerns. We now have all the various targets going up to 2070. That means we are trying to now restore back the ecology. Now my best wishes to the Spring of Joy is that they carve out a new lifestyle which is nature loving and in a natural way. Of course, the pressures are there from the artificial intelligence, green economy, zero to nature moves and so on and so on. Having said this, now let us be grateful to the freedom fighters who have given us this independent, nice, beautiful country. Celebrate to our fullest of the last 1 week efforts which we have done, and live a very comfortable, pleasant life in the state of Sat Chit Anand, treating all our fellow residents as our extended family. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thank you very much.